Hey, Kevin here with selfreliantlife.com, and thought I'd start the new year off with a new program. So we're going to do a thing every Monday called Coffee with Kevin. And it's going to be a Q&A. It's Ask Me Anything. I get a lot of conversation from folks on all the videos all the time, and I try to answer everything I can. But I thought I'd just kind of centralize or concentrate that into one weekly video so that we can do that. So if you want to ask a question and get right to me, because I've got I don't know how many 100-some videos up, just email me at kevin@aselfreliantlife.com. I'll get that email from you, and then I'll see if, we'll hopefully feature your question or comment on the weekly videos, and that way I can make sure I can get to the group and everybody can benefit from it, not just individuals asking questions. So wanted to say that. Also wanted to thank everyone. It's been quite an interesting ride so far. We actually started this channel in 2010, and I didn't know exactly where I was going with it back then, so I started building because I wanted to teach people how to build and how to learn construction. So if they wanted to build their own tiny house or small house or shed or whatever it is you were wanting to put together, you could see those contracting or building techniques. And it's kind of morphed into a much larger program over the years. We're in coming into our 8th year now, and I want to thank everybody. We have almost 13,000 subscribers around the world now. We have over 2.2 million views of this channel, and that's just awesome. I never knew that was ever going to be the case, so that we were going to grow into this size and reach for this channel. And I'm happy that that's the case. I'm glad everybody's enjoying and benefiting from it. I want to continue to do this, and really this is all for you. We've done several projects over the course of the last 8 years, and we're working on our biggest one right now, which is this house. And we're going to continue to work on this house this year until we finish it, and invite you to come along and see the process and ask all the questions you like. So that being said, we have a website. It's selfreliantlife.com. This whole thing kind of morphed into self-reliant living, mortgage freedom, being able to build and maintain your own home and have the confidence to do it yourself and save money and not have to deal with banks and a limited amount of outside help that would be necessary. And so that's why I would empower everyone to learn this process so they can be mortgage free and have the house that you've always wanted. Don't forget to check us out. We decided to start using Instagram, and so there's a lot of kind of more about our life and our property here. The project is on that, so check that out at A Self-Reliant Life. What else do we have on there, Nisa?
The bell?
Oh, there's a bell on the video channel now. If you check it out, up on the top corner.
By your name.
Yeah, by my name. If you click on that bell, then you will get it updated every time a new video comes live on the channel, so you'll know it's there and you can go check it out. Especially if we want to do the Q&As and you want to be aware of those, go ahead and click on that bell. That's a fairly new feature on YouTube this year, I think, at least that I've noticed. And what else? What else we have?
Our Facebook page?
Oh, well, we're on Facebook. selfreliantlife.com is our Facebook page. Tiny House Chat Making It Happen is our Facebook group. If you want to check that out, it's a closed group. You're invited to take a look at that. Interact with us. Learn as much as you'd like to learn about this. Ask me all the questions you like. That's what I'm here for. I've learned loads from being in this process and in this project, and over the years interacting with everybody, and I really appreciate all the comments and questions and thank yous and appreciation. That's awesome. That's what I'm here for, is to give that to you. So with that, check us out every Monday. Fire off those questions to Kevin@aselfreliantlife.com email, and with that, I'll see you out there on the next video.